guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded my last video. So here I am again with another vlog. So ngayon po ay tuturuan ko po kayong magluto ng mais. Hello mga person! Ito po ang unang proseso bago lutuin ang corn. Ang unang proseso ay dapat muna natin balatan ang corn. Siyempre, hindi naman natin siya kakainin na may balat, di ba? So, ayan na nga po. Nakikita nyo, sayang-saya po ako sa pagbabalat ng corn. Hindi naman siya madali, pero nag-i-enjoy naman ako, kaya okay lang. So, as what you can see, napakaraming buhok ng corn. Matanong ko lang, may corn bang hairless? Wala naman ata, diba? Sige, let's proceed. At by the way, favorite nyo rin ba ang corn? Kadalasan kasi sa mga bata ngayon, hindi na mahilig kumain ng corn. Sabi kasi daw nila, hindi daw masarap. At mapapansin na mas prefer ng mga bata ngayon kumain ng junk foods instead of fruits. Pero hindi naman in general ha? At mostly, makikita natin ito sa gilid ng kalsada na luto na at linalagyan ng margarine at ibinibenta sa halagang 25 pesos. Mas gusto niyo bang linalagyan ng margarine ang mais o hindi? Kasi ako, mas preferred ko ang wala. Kasi nalalasahan mo ang natural na lasa ng mais at walang halong kimikal. So yun na nga, naging ninja warrior na ang ate nyo. Ang hirap kasing putulin ng mais. Sobrang hirap na gusto ko na nga sabihin sa papa ko na ikaw na lang, wag na ako, ayoko na. So, yun na. Hindi ako nag-give up kasi sabi kasi ng idol kong BTS, wag kang mag-give up. Sa una lang yung mahirap, pero kapag tuloy-tuloy na, madali na lang. So, ayun na, natapos ko na. Diba? Ang galing. Never give up until you do the right thing. At dahil na speechless ang ate nyo at hindi naalala ang quote ng BTS, mas binabuti na lang niyang maghugas ng pinggan. Gawin niyang role model ang ate girl nyo. Ang sipag-sipag kasi niya. Tingnan nyo, naghuhugas lang yan kapag may camera. Alexa, playing for the first time in forever. Kirsten Jane Anderson. Toot, 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 toot. Tring, 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 tring. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. For the first time in forever, I could be noticed by someone. And I know it's totally crazy to dream and find romance. But for the first time in forever, at least I've got a chance. At ayan na nga mga person, lalagyan ko na ng tubig ang kaldero. Hana. Tol. Set. Net. Dasot. Debak! Amazing counting. I'll give you 5 rating. Oishi, oishi, oishi! Kain mga person. Para hindi ako maboard kakaintay, kakain muna ako ng langka or jackfruit in English. Alam naman natin lahat mga person na ang jackfruit or langka in Waray ay pwedeng ulamin as a vegetable at pwedeng kainin as a fruit. This is a delicious seaweed lover. You can order this on Shopee, kaya add to cart na! Trivia. Do you know that a delicious seaweed lover contains many antioxidants in the form of certain vitamins A, C, and E, and protective pigments? It has a decent amount of iodine, a trace mineral vital for the health and function of the thyroid. Some seaweeds, such as purple lover, contains a good amount of B12 as well. As I watch many K-dramas, C-dramas, and Thai dramas, And I noticed that this seafood is oftenly featured as a side dish or as a snack in so many K-dramas I've watched. And C-dramas and Thai dramas, so many dramas. That's why I sincerely recommend this food to you. It is so healthy and so delicious. You'll never regret it. Years later. At yun na nga mga person, luto ng pinakahihintay kong mais. Pagkatapos kong kumain habang naghihintay, kaya pa ba today? Itadakimasu. The key to everything is patience. You get the chicken by hatching the egg, not by smashing it. It was worth the wait. The corn was so delicious, 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Please do like and share. Bye!